Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. One of my viewers sent me this car wax here. High temp paste wax. Supposed to be the best stuff in the world for your car. I'm not sure exactly where he got it from, but there's some contact information there. I'm going to split this roof on Panther. You can see it does have a decent reflection. I washed it yesterday. I might rinse it off today or just dust it off. What I was planning to do was deep clean the car and then wax it, but that hadn't happened in 2 years. Since we did that before. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and dust off the driver's side, apply this stuff to the driver's side, and then I'm going to, if it looks real good, I'm gonna do the hood as well, and then I'm going to buff the other side, polish it, get it super clean, and then put it on the passenger side so you can see how it looks when you super clean the car then apply it, or just apply it without getting the car super clean. Picked up a couple of microfiber applicators from Walmart. I picked up some microfiber towels from Walmart as well. I don't recommend doing that. They are the cheapest microfiber. I don't even know if they're really microfiber, but I do have one good microfiber cloth that I got from somewhere, heavy duty microfiber cloth. Get a good microfiber cloth, keep it clean as best you can, and keep it around. Get you 4 or 5 of the good ones. Don't use those super cheap ones, and that's unless you're just trying to do disposable stuff. I've seen people use those cheap microfiber things as disposable. BWM 101 high temp paste wax. It doesn't give any cautions about applying in sunlight or anything like that. Great for all painted chrome and fiberglass surfaces found on marine, aircraft, and automotive finishes. This is easy to use and easy to wipe off. Now it does have some hazards and some precautionary statement. Skin, eye, irritation. Use gloves. Don't breathe the dust. This is stuff is evidently hazardous to humans. That's another reason why I didn't apply it sooner. So I have it going across my fin, up the driver's side of the car, a little bit on the top of the side of the fender, and down this portion of the hood. So we're going to buff that off, see how that looks. And do note that my car had no water repellent. Whenever it got wet, it didn't bead up the water. So we'll see how long this stuff lasts. I'll report back to you. Then we'll give the car a whole once over with this stuff. Immediate test of the water beading on the car. I spray the car down. After a few seconds, you can see the side that I didn't do is flat. The side that I did wax is, man, it's covered really well. So here's the hood test. The hood, the side with the wax, the water's running off like streams. The side that I didn't wax is running off like a smooth flow, one solid beam. So look over here. That side is totally wet. This side has the beaded up and some dry spots. So I'm going to hit it with the blower so you can see if this stuff blows off with the blower. Here's my air broom. I'm sure you're not going to be able to hear once I cut this on, but we're going to see how it does with drying the car off. Here goes nothing. My battery died on my phone, so I'm going to use my camera to do this. There's a couple things I realized this wax, and maybe most wax, will help you with when detailing or washing your car. Number one, I was actually able to just about totally dry the car off with the air broom. When I hit the car with the air broom, it pushed the water off pretty quick, but the side that was not waxed, the water kind of just spread out over the paint surface. Another thing is, when I hit the waxed portion of the car with the microfiber towel to dry it, the side of the car that didn't have wax, it kind of just smeared the water around. The side of the car that did have the wax, one wipe, the car was dry. So I'm going to demonstrate those things to you real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, I'm going to hit it with the air broom. You're not going to be able to hear me talk, but you can see the results of the air broom. So, you seen the side hit with the air broom was dry, and the side hit that wasn't waxed is still wet. Let me show you the microfiber results. Okay, I wet the surfaces again. As you can see, the side with the wax is beaded up. The side without the wax is not beaded up. I wrung the microfiber towel dry. This cloth is basically, on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd rate it maybe a 3 or 4 as quality in microfiber. So first I'm going to try to dry the area that was not waxed, and as you can see, it's still wet under the towel. Then with the same area, I'm going to hit the area that had the wax, and as you can see, the area that had the wax came dry with one wipe. The area with no wax is still wet. This area is dry with one wipe. So it's a good idea to keep wax on it. Like I said, this wax that I have is supposed to be high quality, so we're going to see how many months it lasts. Keep your eyes peeled in the video. I'll let you know when this stuff wears out. Every 30 days, I'm going to wet this down, wash the vehicle, wet it, dry it off, so we can see how long the wax will actually last. Check the comments, see the links to the updated videos, and we'll go from there. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.